Hey guys, Joe here again, aka the Laughing Man. So I dropped off my bike the other day when I went to go buy myself my MT10, which is the bike sitting behind me somewhere. There it is. So I bought that bike, left this one at the dealership for a couple days, and when I grabbed it, when you turn it on, everything looks normal, but as soon as you hit the ignition switch, nothing happens. You can kind of hear it making some kind of noise, but it's not the click noise that you would expect out of hearing a relay click over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swap out this relay. I'm going to use one of these niche brands. I've never used them before, so we'll see how good those are. But the dealership quoted me something like $90 to do this job, and that would have included the new OEM relay and install. But to install it is literally just 2 bolts to take your seat off. I paid $6 for this one. We're going to hope that the plug is the same. And it comes with fuses. So these are 30 amp fuses in this one, so I'll throw the 30 amp fuses in this one, and it comes with a bunch of spare fuses. But it's just the 2 bolts, so you got your negative and your positive. I will put those on there. I'll drop this in, and we'll be right back to see if the plug lines up. Actually, I guess before we even do that, I can just unplug it. Kill the battery real quick. I'm gonna set the phone down to do this. Alright, I'm sorry, just need 2 hands to hold this down while I hold on it, but so there's your connector. You can tell they look exactly identical. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these off real quick, swap over to the new one, put the new 30 amps in, and we'll see if the bike starts back up. Alright, here we go, guys. So it is in now. Got the 4-pin plugged in, fits just fine. These are 2 8mm bolts. Those just threaded right on in. This is the stock cover that comes with the FZ. Try to get that back down on there. Sorry, harder to do with one hand. Alright, stock cover fits on it just fine, clips into place. Alright, so now that we got all that hooked up, we will go ahead and see if it works. Alright. Alright, so there we go. That is what the dealership wanted to charge me $90 in parts and labor to do in 5 minutes. Again, I paid, I think, $650, $690, something like that for the niche brand one. I will go ahead and leave a link in the description. It's not an affiliate or anything like that. Just got it on Amazon, next day delivery, threw it on in. Yeah, I guess I'll put the seats back on it, and this bike's good to go again.